Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury styling package with a luxury interior and exterior look, Mercedes-Benz hood ornament on the hood, 17-inch split 5-spoke aluminum wheels, an espresso brown macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the sun protection package with a manual rear shade, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, an LED logo when you open the door, Mercedes-Benz illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with active park assist, with a surround view camera with sensors on the front, side, and the rear, navigation, dual climate control, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 27,135 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.